Hi, good evening. Today is my 1 year anniversary of my vlogging. I would like to thank you, my followers and friends and supporters, and most especially to the Lord. And don't forget to share and follow my vlogging. Hala no ngundang tani. Again, thank you all my viewers and my followers. Hindi dahil sa inyong lahat, wala ako makita. Again, thank you and God bless you all. This is my special anniversary spaghetti. Handa ko ngayon kasi ito lang ang budget ko. Hayaan mo mga followers and viewers, pag may sahod na ako, hindi ko kayo malilimutan kailanman. Hala no, ako umuuna ha.